Hello dear doctors, this is a very good news for all of you doctors. After having the huge and massive success from the previous Mumbai course for MRCP UK Part 1 and Part 2 reading,
My name is Amit Shivraj Zamankar. I am from Mumbai. I just came to know about this SS Academy few days back from Google search, and I just spoke to Sumanta sir. But when I joined, I realized it is one of the very powerful, effective, concise coaching from Sumanta sir for MRCP. Those who don't have any idea for MRCP should really join this class because it is one of the effective methods. The tips and tricks given by Sumanta sir is very effective. You can say it is not an SS Academy, you can say easy academy. Everything MRC about MRCP is made so easy, so crisp and so clear. Data was given by Sumanta sir, and the amount of effort he has taken on each student is very appreciable. I like to take this opportunity to thank Dr. Sumanta for taking such a good effort and good initiative to encourage MRCP people to become a good clinician, not only for MRCP but for the rest of life. I think taking a SIRS class is going to make a good change as a doctor in my profession. Last but not the least, I will encourage all the people to join SS Academy as compared to other MRCP Academy, because it is very sharp, very concise, and very strict to the time, very disciplined, and really a very good outlook to look at the MRCP. Also, it inspires to become like Dr. Sumanta, who is very dynamic, very energetic, and always smiling. So I will just like to congratulate SS Academy for such a good initiative. And one suggestion for SS Academy, just to start a full course in India, because there is not no much awareness about MRCP in India.
So Dr. Asif, I'm from Delhi. I did my MBBS from Lucknow, and then I did my diploma in emergency medicine, and then I have given my MCM Part 1. I really found this course very useful, and it contains all the topics in such a short time. And I wish I will join him again for my PSS. And I really thanks Dr. Sumanta for giving such a nice guidelines.
Okay, my name is Lavanya. I'm from south of India. I'm from basically Chennai. And today it really made a big difference. And I felt really motivated. And I especially want to thank sir for giving us such a wonderful classes. Attending this class had only benefits.
My name is Dr. Vikram. I am from South India, Andhra Pradesh. I have done my MBBS from Narayana Medical College, and I have done clinical cardiology from Durga Pradeshmukh Hospital, Hyderabad. Very few teachers are there who live in my life permanently. Dr. Balaji sir and Dr. Sudharakshmi madam and Dr. Sahu sir and Dr. Madhamohan sir. And for MRCP, I can definitely say that only teacher can be Dr. Sumanta sir.
My name is Rimon Sarwat Luis. I am from Egypt, working now in Qatar. I heard from the Facebook about the SS Academy, and this crash course, a 4-day course, marvelous, to the point, concise, and very unique in nature.
I'm Dr. Shamsujjo. As because I passed MRC Part 1 only for SS Academy. This all the credits are on the SS Academy.
Dr. Devapriya Bakshi from Kolkata, and I'm really thankful to SS Academy and Sumanta sir for the valuable offering what I got. Dr. Mas was telling about the tips and the tricks of the thing, to clinch the diagnosis, how to clinch it within short span of time, and those were really helpful. Unlike for the reading for the PG exams, when we have to read in more details, MRCP is totally different. That's the thing what we were lacking. Actually, we were studying for our PG exam, but writing MRCP will be totally different than Indian PG exams. So that we have come across from this course.
I'm Andrea. I'm from Bangalore. I definitely benefited a lot because it was very encouraging.
I'm Dr. Tirthankar. I'm a consultant and assistant professor of internal medicine at KIMS Hospital, Bangalore. So at the outset, I would like to congratulate SS Academy for their excellent orientation program, in which they have gone through all the aspects of MRCP Part 1 and Part 2, and it has been a very good eye-opener for us. Dr. Sumanta sir is an excellent teacher, and he is always smiling and is always happy to answer our doubts. So I think I would urge all MRCP aspirants to definitely take part in such programs. So it has been a great, these 4 days has been a really good experience for all of us, and sir has brought about a lot of tricks. As you know that the MRCP exam has got long questions, and it takes a lot of time to even analyze and to come to a diagnosis and mark. So the sirs gives excellent tips on how to approach the exams. So I think all candidates should definitely take part in with SS Academy.
My name is Vamsi Krishna and I'm from Hyderabad. I did my MBBS from Moscow Medical Academy. I heard about this academy through Facebook. The classes were very good.
I'm Dr. Maaz. I'm from Hyderabad. I got to know about the SS Academy International Intensive Course through Facebook. So I thought I'll give a chance and come here. So after coming here, one thing that I have realized is, I was not having any orientation about MRCP preparation. There was no one to guide me. So first thing that I got here is the guidance, how to prepare, what to study, what not to study. And second thing, in this 4 days, the difference that this 4 days made me is the clinching of the diagnosis, how to come to a diagnosis after having such a lengthy question. And the second thing which I loved about in all these 4 courses was the tips and tricks that was given for neurology and acid-base balance. That was awesome. I think for the first time, I can say that I have made this acid-base balance ABG analysis interpretation very, very easy.
The SS Academy is coming forward to do 2 large events in the large cities of India, the Delhi and Chennai. This course is uniquely designed for those candidates who are really interested for the MRCP UK Part 1 and the Part 2 rating. So yes, my dear doctor, I am inviting all the doctors who have the core interest to do this MRCP in their future. On behalf of SS Academy, I am Dr. Sumanta Kumar Shah, Chairman and Course Coordinator, and as the Chief Teacher, my dear, and I will be with all of you guys all together to deliver the full lectures of MRCP UK Part 1 and the Part 2 written in these events all together. Yes, my dear doctor, you'll have the tremendous experiences and the lifetime experiences learning medicine in such an unique way.